Okay, Zach's gonna look at himself in the mirror, trying out his costume. Look at, who do you see in the mirror?
Elmo. Elmo. Here's my friend. Elmo.
Who's that? Okay, let him see himself. Look at the mirror.
It's Mr. Elmo.
Who's that?
Mr. Elmo. Hey, Mr. Elmo.
That's you. Zachy. Be careful with them. Come here, Zachy. Go look in the mirror. Go look at Elmo. Where's Elmo? Where's Elmo? That's you. Look in the mirror.
Oh.
See Elmo?
I see Hello Kitty.
That's you. That's you. You see Elmo? Where's Elmo? Okay, Phoebe. Okay, you want to take your costume off? Come on. Yeah, you're Elmo. You're Elmo. Zachy's Elmo.
I see the guy's Elmo.
You want to look in the mirror again? Uh-oh. Elmo's attacking you. Uh-oh. Elmo's attacking you. Okay, you want us to look at Elmo one more time in the mirror, and then we're going to take it off, Zach. Zachy, want to look in the mirror? Look in the mirror. Say bye-bye, Elmo. Can you look in the mirror again?
Bye-bye, Elmo.
Can you look in the mirror?
Bye-bye, Elmo.
Zachy, look in the mirror.
I know where I'll take them.
Is that Elmo? Okay.